All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the garage today, and I've got a returning customer that I've got a 5-year coating Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light, just the one layer, not the XO, not 2 layers of Crystal Serum, just 1 layer of Crystal Serum Light, 5 years of protection. With good maintenance, he's gonna get a lot of life out of this coating. So this particular customer works out in the oil field, so we reside here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but he drives every 2 weeks. He's driving out to Hobbs, New Mexico, and he's going out to the oil field. So you can only imagine the conditions that he's driving through just to get out there, and then let alone while he's out there as well. So this coating is gonna take a beating. The truck's gonna take a beating. But this is exactly why I like using the Gtechniq family of products, the ecosystem of products. So I've got the 5-year coating on here, and today we're going to be using, flip this around here, today we're going to be using some G-Wash inside the bucket. We're going to be using their bug remover, because you can see on the front of his vehicle, those as he travels out, this really piles up. Gets a ton of bugs all over this thing. But what's really cool, okay, now you can see how dirty it gets. Gets really, really dirty. But when we swing around here to the back, you can see how clean it is. It came in because somebody rear-ended his truck. We coated this just not even 2 months ago, and he got rear-ended. So it's in to replace the bumper. I had coated the paint, the plastics, all of this. We did a logo and lettering off polish, so removed those, polished it out, coated it. So even just at a simple quick detailer, you can see how clean it gets. I barely just wiped that off. You can see the difference. Really dirty here to really nice and clean, and it's super soft, super soft. Just to get the insurance to come out and approve this, I just wiped down the back portion, but I've saved cleaning it today just to show how the coating does. We've got some wheel and tire cleaner from Optimum today that we're going to be trying out. Y'all might want to try that. That's really going to bring the browning out of that. But and then in our foam cannon, we're going to be using the citrus foam. That's just going to be higher up on the pH, and it's going to allow us to really break down any kind of bug guts, all kinds of stuff, organic matter. So we're going to break up all of that, and then get all of these bugs off in just one rinse before we even make a contact. So here we go, one cut, no editing. We're just going to pre-treat. Doesn't take very much. I just like to spritz it across in the high traffic area. So right here on the front, right on the front of the nose, just where he gets it the most. Headlight lenses, right across the side here, right up under there. We're gonna get the license plate. Now all inside the grill. There we go. We're gonna end up letting this dwell for just a little bit. You can smell it, it's not too bad. It's really not too bad here on the corner. Let's get the back of the side view here. That gets it quite a bit. A little bit on the windshield. Some of those up there. Swing back around. Let's get this side. There we go. On the windshield. Got some bug guts up there. There we go. Just gonna let that sit for just a second. Go ahead and make sure that you close your nozzles. Close your nozzles in between use, okay? Always turn them until they say off. That way we're not burning off any of those chemicals that are worked into that awesome formula that those people work hard to create. I'm using the 2.0 today. It hasn't been an issue for me. It's an issue for a lot of guys. The very first active, if you used a long hose like this, you would burn out the motor. And so I learned that the hard way. That's why I ended up getting the 2. It's been redesigned to be able to use this longer hose, and I haven't had an issue. I'm not doing high volume washes. Technically, yes, I'm a detailer. I do ceramic coating, but I'm primarily a dent repair technician. So if I offer detailing and ceramics, it's usually to one of my dent repair customers. So take that with a grain of salt. All right, let's see. Seems to be breaking all this up pretty good. Oh yeah, oh that's wild, man. I'm barely touching. Those bug guts are just coming right off. That is wild. Okay, cool. So what I do like to do is you could rinse it at this point. You could rinse it off, or you could go ahead and just go right into getting your foam cannon and go ahead and hit a layer on there. So let me see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Trying to film this in one cut so y'all can see about how long I leave it on there. There we go. Nice. Psych. Hey, look, these are drop proof. These are from Chemex. Very cool. Okay. It's all good. Pull the lip back. There we go. Push it on. There we go. Good contact. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and I like to do bottom first, like so, and then go up. Okay, so then we're gonna get the hood, windshield, there we go. Wrap around to the side. We're gonna go bottom, fender, side view. Okay, we're just gonna work the front part of the truck this time. I'll go back and do the rest of the truck here in just a little bit. I just wanted to give you all the before and after on the bugs. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these start getting hit. There we go. All right. So we're just about 8 minutes in. We're gonna release this. Hey, these are really, really cool. Doing a video on my buddy Mike over at Mad Car Care. He 3D prints these nozzle holders, and he'll probably already say, well, why didn't you stick that in there? Sorry, brother. But these are really killer. These will help you from losing your nozzles like I almost just did. So do what I say, not as I do. Let's pull this sleeve back, pop her in, make sure she's good and tight. Always aim it off to the side. Make sure your nozzle's on there really good. Okay, letting the soap kind of dwell for just a little bit. Look at this little bunch right here. Watch this. Look at those. I'm barely touching them. They're breaking off. You know what that reminds me of? And y'all aren't gonna like this, man. It's like Chex cereal. That's crazy, the way those are just breaking off. No way. That's killer. Man, that's awesome. And I already got a cut. Sweet. Good day. All right, here we go. No contact. All right, I am pretty stoked. You can see how everything's beating up. Nice. Everything's beating up, and that's with no contact right there. Look at that. Very, very little actually stubborn stayed on. Very, very little. And even as I make contact, and I'm barely wiping, it's coming off. So once I even get to the contact portion of this wash with the soft mitt, with the G-Wash, the rest of it's gonna come off. But this is very stubborn. Driving out into West Texas, and all of those bugs came off. License plate, came off all of the lenses. Look at that, lenses are clear. The chrome is clear. Very, very little. I'm really having to look for any kind of residue. Okay, very, very little. Oh, that's a rock chip. Very little residue, if any. There's hardly any. You saw the side view. These came right off. Look at that. No bug guts, and those were on there pretty good, man. Those were on there good, and they had been sitting there for a few weeks already. So I'm very impressed by the Gtechniq. So today's products, G-Wash for the bucket wash, which we haven't even gotten to, and we're already got good results here. Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light for the actual coating itself. We've got the citrus foam that is gonna break down all of these bug guts ahead of time. You saw I pre-treated it with the bug spray. You could get on there with like a light APC to start breaking things down. But even just letting it sit on the tires, it broke a lot off of that tire. So we're gonna go in, do the rest of the truck, but that's impressive without even having to have made any kind of contact wash. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you do get your coating here at Legacy Dent Company, Gtechniq is the product that I do use. I promise myself, as long as the maintenance is done frequently and properly, I'm gonna warranty the coating for 5 years. I think on Gtechniq's website, they might even said in good conditions, they get up to 8, but they guarantee the 5 as well. So my maintenance customers usually come by and take care of their vehicles. If not, I connect them with a mobile detailer and maintenance their vehicles. I've never had an issue with Gtechniq. As a detailer, it's also application friendly. It's very easy to put on, but it's quality. It's slick, it's durable. It's a tested, tried and tested brand. So Gtechniq, thank you so much. Thank you for making my job a lot easier, and a product that I can depend on and rely on, that my customers know when they do hand me over their hard work and money, they're getting every bit of their dime worth in their investment. So means a lot. It's a great product, you guys. Hope you all enjoy. This is something that you can do at home to yourself with these products. These are simple. You saw how I use them. There's nothing, no crazy science that I was doing. So you can do these at home too for your own maintenance after you get your ceramic coating. I like to use products that are all in the same family usually, because when they're chemically formulated, they're all mindful. Each product is mindful of the next as they produce them. So it's good to stay within a family. Gtech is one of those brands. So thank you so much again, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now work hard and go be great.